You can see I'm just waking up this morning. I don't really like my face. Oh no, it looks so rough. So now what are we going to do? I need to think now. I remember something. You know that black spots has a remedy. You can actually clean them off by using 3 things. So let's get to work. Here is my baking powder. I use my baking powder for my baking. I use it for so many, in fact it serves for so many purposes. So this morning I'm going to use my baking powder, then I'm going to add it with my Vaseline, my blue chip Vaseline. Please get original, and then my Colgate. Those 3 things I've already added them inside my plate. I'm gonna mix them together. I'm gonna make sure you mix them very, very well. After mixing it, I'm done mixing already. Let's mix it very well. After mixing it, the next thing to do is to wash your face. You have to wash your face with your bathing soap or whatever you're using to wash your face. Make sure you wash your face. After washing your face, then you apply this gently. So let me wash my face. If I'm done washing, I'll apply it gently. I'm done washing here. I'm applying it. You can say it. I'm applying it gradually, and then I'll make sure I scrub it all my face. Anywhere I want it to go, you can say it there. Just 3 things. Remember, I used my blue seal Vaseline, I used my baking powder, and then my Colgate toothpaste. Mix them together. Good. You apply it on your face and then wait for some minutes before washing. Dearest friends, if you found this interesting, please don't forget to click on the like button and then the subscribe button below for subscription. I remind your girl Lily Glow. It's not so bad, if you need to apply it gently. Avoid your eyes, please. It's hot because of the toothpaste you apply on it. Because of the toothpaste, so it's hot. I'm gonna wash it off after 5 minutes. Once I'm done washing it, I will come back and then show you my face. But you have to make sure you touch all the places you want to get rid of anything, black spots, acne, whatever, even pimples. So we are done. That's 5 minutes later.